Hey, it's me again, Tina. Anyway, we just took a video a little bit ago, my bad. And the cats weren't doing anything interesting. It was kind of bogus. But now we've got some weird kitty action here in the bathroom sink. Yeah. So there's Marmalade. There's Blackie. Blackie, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Hanging out in the bathroom sink. Oh, isn't that sweet? We couldn't have planned that. FYI, this is not dirty. This is the oldest kid's nail polish she decided to fling everywhere.
Yeah, Charlene, she never likes to be in videos.
No. Aren't they cute?
Hey, Mama.
So there's little Blackie, or big Blackie. Shoot! Whoa! I
will go get Sylvester to see.
I lost sight of the camera.
To do any action. Well, no, I won't get Sylvester. Sylvester's not going to be in this one.
Aren't they cute? Couldn't some people just watch kittens forever? Oh God, get in that dirty ear. Get in that dirty ear.
Blackie's looking.
You're the only. I know you love it, don't you, buddy?
He loves looking at himself in mirrors.
Yes, we find him a lot in the bathtub, looking at his reflection in the little metal piece.
Yeah, we have a video of him looking in there, but I don't think we put it on YouTube. I don't know.
Oh, you see yourself in there too, don't you, buddy?
Oh, Marmalade, hi.
It's just, what the hell?
Candies. Oh, hi.
Look at Blackie. He looks so funny.
And if you see, Marmalade is covering him.
They're so cute.
And he has a little special spot right here. And down in the belly, he has a special spot too.
I can't seem to figure out how to... Okay. There we go. It's just too... It's just too freaking cute.
Here,
You got it, babe?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Blackie's looking at himself again.
So alright, let me get it from the thing. Hey again.
Blackie, look.
Marmalade, what are you up to, baby?
And Sylvester won't be in this one today. He's busy doing other stuff.
Oh, God.
Blackie. They love each other.
So if you're like us and love kitty cats, this might be entertaining for you. For those of you that don't like cats, you're going to think this is completely ridiculous. But if that's the case, then what the heck made you decide to click? I mean, we didn't clickbait at all, hell. It was pretty standard. Look at his little arm around her neck. Oh, he's just so cute. He's just so cute.
And I am in my pajamas.
That's right.
Batman. Hold on, let me show him my hood.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
I can't do it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Shoot. Wish I could rock some Batman jammies.
You can, and you never will.
Mm.
Okay, just stop doing it.
I never knew where to look. I keep looking at myself. God, look at my hair.
It's right here.
Oh.
Hi.
Back to kittens.
Back to kittens. Marmalade is licking his butt. Well, they are.
'Tis a fact. 'Tis
There's
a
Barbie
fact.
right there.
Well, she's semi-naked.
She doesn't have a bra. She never came with one. I'm gonna go try to get Mama Pan. Depends on where she is. Mama Pan, kitty, kitty, kitty. I could not find the mom. Her name is Panty. But look who I did find.
No, her name's not Panty. Her name's Pan. We call her Panty Pan. Hey, Sylvester. You look an awful lot like Cheeto, Shane and Ryland's kitty.
Sylvester, what are you doing?
All right.
Well, I'm glad Sylvester got to be in one.
I think that's about as much kitty cats as we can handle for the moment.
Bye,
So,
guys. See you later.
Bye now.
Guys.